Hi, welcome to At the Mama That Does It All, and thank you so much for joining me today. I'm very happy to have you here. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, I want to give you a very warm welcome, and I want to ask you to please subscribe. Your support means a lot to me, and I'd love to have you as part of my family. Today's video is a very special video because, as you all know, this virus doesn't seem to be going away anytime soon. It seems like all of 2020 has been changes and adjustments to our day to day. And so, with that being said, today's video is a tag for my friend at Ivy Howell, and it's a What Are You Thankful For YouTube video tag. So, I'm going to answer some questions that she sent over, and we're going to shine a light and focus on those things that we have and that we can be appreciative for and that we are thankful for, and it just really changes your mindset when you focus on the good. Today we are focusing on what we are thankful for. So the first question is, name a color that you are thankful for. I'm going to say I like blue. All different shades of blue. Dark blue, light blue. It's just a very calming color. Also feel like clothes wise, blue goes with a variety of different things. You know, if you have blue jeans, you can pretty much pair it with anything. So I just really enjoy that color. So question number two, something your spouse does that you are thankful for. Like he can just read me and know that something's not right, or that I'm feeling extra tired, or that, hey, I should bring her some flowers, or maybe I should make her a cup of coffee. And to have someone that can just see and look at you and knows you so well to know that something's not right is priceless. So I'm very thankful for that. Something your kids do that you are thankful for. My kids are also very thoughtful. They must have got that from him. They wake up in the morning and the older ones immediately look to see how they can help the younger ones, whether that is um, pouring them a cup of milk, or starting a cup of coffee for me, or getting everything ready for breakfast time and setting the table. Those little things really, really warm my heart because I know that if tomorrow I'm not here, my kids know how to do certain things that they may not have someone else to do for them. So that definitely, makes me feel good. A food you are thankful for. Foods I'm thankful for. I totally love, like, what don't I love? That's the problem. I like too many things. Let me say, like, traditional home cooked food, like something my mom would make me, like when she makes caldo de res, which is like a beef stew, and it's just got all those, veggies in it and that good flavor and seasoning, that homey feel that it brings with it. It just makes me feel like when I was a little kid and she'd make that at home. Mind you, my mom's worked a lot. She's always been a very hardworking woman, and there was just a very, very short, and I mean short time where she was just stay at home, but she's always worked. And so she used to have one day out of the week that she would take off so that way she could cook home cooked meals for us when we got home from school. There would be something on the stove for us. That was the day we looked forward to, because the other days, it'd be stuff she made in the morning and we'd have to reheat it, or we would just make something for ourselves. So Wednesdays were the special days where you would come home and you were like, oh my God, I wonder what she made today. And when it was a soup, and when it was, the type of foods that you normally would be like, I'd rather have McDonald's. To us, we had like fast food stuff more days than not. So having those really home cooked hearty meals were what we look forward to. So I'm going to have to say that. That was like a really long answer, right? The next question is, name a drink that you are thankful for. Hmm. I love during these times, when it weather's a little bit cooler, champurrado. I'm so thankful for that. I have no idea how to make it, but my father-in-law makes a delicious, delicious champurrado, and I know a couple of places that make it and sell it, and I just really enjoy that. It's so comforting. An animal that I am thankful for. I am thankful for my Rocky. He's a German Shepherd Husky mix. He's sitting right here. Rocky, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. And there he is. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Love, 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 love. I know, I know. Can you look over here? Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. And then he gets super excited. So for Rocky, for bringing happiness and also chasing the reflection off of my phone. Like he sees that on the wall and he goes crazy. Okay. Okay. Name a beauty product that you're thankful for. I am thankful for my Lamica skincare that I've been using during that time period that I was off of Dupixent. They were huge lifesavers because their products are just so moisturizing, hydrating on the skin. They don't feel greasy. So I'm really happy about them. Name a cleaning product that you are thankful for. I'm going to have to go with disinfecting wipes. This year, 2020, I have never loved disinfecting wipes as much as I have this year. They're a hot commodity. If I see them in the store, I am picking them up. I'm not buying them all out so I can leave you without any. No, no. But I am picking one up because I need to have those here. I use them on doorknobs and light switches. I use them on the car handles, the garage door opener, everything because you can never be too safe. The next question is, what social media platform are you thankful for? I would have to say Instagram. I'm super thankful for Instagram. I've met so many wonderful people on Instagram. I never thought, I used to think it was impossible to really, when people would say, oh, I have a friend that, how could you have a friend? You don't know them. You didn't meet them in person. I mean, you don't know what they're really like. But honestly, Instagram totally changed that for me. I apologize for the background noise. It's my kids. But I have met women who have genuine interest in, connecting with you and supporting one another. And it's just such a nice community. I have an Instagram for my kids page as well. And I've met so many other moms and parents and kids who, they encourage you, they inspire you, they motivate you. And during these times when you can't really see many people anyway or hang out with them, being on Instagram and having a community that you can talk with and chat with and check in on, and they check in on you, has been fabulous. So I love that. The next question, tell us why you are thankful for the last person who texted you. The last person that texted me was my mama, and I'm always thankful for her, for having her as my mom. She is just such a strong woman, and she has given and continues to give like no one else. She's on fire, that woman. She is. Name a candy you are thankful for. Reese's peanut butter cups. I love those. Oh, wait. The Fannie Mae mint meltaways, though, I think those are number one by all means. I just love mint. Name an app on your phone that you are thankful for. Probably going to say the Power Director app because I use that to edit a lot of the videos, and their phone app is very easy to use, and I enjoy it. So I'm happy for that. Makes the editing a lot easier. And what are you looking forward to that you are thankful for? I'm looking forward to Christmas. And I'm thankful for that, for being able to say, coronavirus, you cannot take the Christmas away from me. You cannot steal that joy. There will be a tree in this house. There will be gifts. There will be happiness. There will be singing. There will be fun. There will be love and lots of family memories being made. So I'm very thankful for that. And that is it. So, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. I'm thankful for the time that you put into watching this video. I'm thankful for your support. And I'm thankful that there's a space like this where you can connect with other people all across the world and see a little bit about them and learn a little bit about them. So, thank you so much for joining me today. Again, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Comment down below if there's something you want to share. And I also want to give a huge thank you to my friend at Ivy Howell for tagging me. Please go check her out because she helps pastor a church. She sings, she cooks, she cleans, she watches her day loves, what she calls them, these little kids that she watches throughout the day. And she's just a great person. So if you haven't already, go check her out. And if you like the intro in my video, please go check out my friend at Positively Giselle. She made the intro to this video, and she also does other kinds of, branding for you if you're interested in promoting your channel or your Instagram or whatever social media you use. Go and visit her, and I'm sure that she'll be able to hook you up with some really, really cool, unique, and personalized branding material. See you next time.